Today we will study about preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds. In the last class you studied about the preparation of alcohols from alkenes by acid catalyzed hydration and by hydroboration oxidation. Today we will study about preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds. Preparation of alcohols. So second method is from carbonyl compounds. What are carbonyl compounds? The compounds containing CO group are called carbonyl compounds. So the compounds, some of the compounds which contain this carbonyl, some of the carbonyl compounds are aldehydes or COH aldehydes, ketones or COR dash functional group, that is general formula of ketones is RCOR. So they contain carbonyl groups, esters and carboxylic acids. These are some of the compounds, some of carbonyl compounds. So carbonyl compounds on reduction by using a suitable reducing agent gives alcohols. So first we will study preparation of alcohols from aldehydes and ketones by the reduction of first one by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. By the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes, you know, general formula of aldehydes is RCOH. So we have to convert this, we have to reduce these aldehydes into alcohols. How can we reduce? How can we convert? That is by breaking this, if we break this bond, this pi bond, and one H if we add here and one H here, then we get alcohol RCH2OH. So when alcohols are reduced by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. Nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. Primary alcohols are formed here. Primary alcohols, that is R. Here this pi bond breaks, CO pi bond breaks. One H will be added here, another H will be added here. So we get RCH2OH, which is a primary alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol is formed here. Example, let us write one example. CH3 or I will take methyl group CH3, that is acetaldehyde on reduction by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, we get CH3 CH2OH, that is ethanol, which is a primary alcohol. So next, by the reduction of ketones. Ketones general formula RCOR. So when ketones are reduced by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, same nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. Here we have to we have to break this bond. This bond will be broken when one H will be added here, one H will be added here. So we get RCHOHR. RCH OH, R. This is a secondary alcohol. Here carbon to which OH group is attached to two other carbon atoms. So it is a secondary alcohol. Example, let us write CH3COCH3. This is acetone. Acetone on reduction by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, we get CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This is propane 2-ol, which is a secondary alcohol. So, aldehydes on reduction by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, that is catalytic hydrogenation. This is catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohols, whereas secondary alcohols on reduction by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst gives secondary alcohols. So next we will study by the reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. By the reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. So carboxylic acids, you know the general formula RCOOH. Here, in order to convert this into alcohol, in order to reduce this into alcohol, reduction means addition of hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms we require? So, here this bond will be broken. One H will be added here, one H will be added here. Then again, this bond also should be broken. Then one H and another H should be added here. We get RCr CH2OH plus H2O. That is primary alcohol and water we get. So 4 hydrogen atoms we use. See here, this carboxylic acid cannot be reduced easily by mild reducing agents. So by strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride. Carboxylic acids are reduced by lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride is LiAlH4. It is a strong reducing agent. It provides 4 hydride ions, 4 H plus ions it provides. Therefore, 4 nascent hydrogen atoms it provides. It provides 4 nascent hydrogen atoms. So, here 1 H will be added here, 1 H here, 1 H here, 1 H. So, what we get? RCH2OH plus H2O. So, this is a primary alcohol. So, primary alcohol is obtained. So, when carboxylic acids are reduced by using strong reducing agents like lithium aluminium hydride, primary alcohol and water are obtained. So, we can write one example by taking R as CH3, that is acetic acid or ethanoic acid, IUPAC name. When acetic acid is reduced by lithium aluminium hydride, a strong reducing agent, we get ethanol plus water. So, you can write the example. You write equation example. Now, by the reduction of esters. So, what is the general formula of esters? Esters general formula is RCOOR. R dash, anything you can write. So, this is ester. When esters esters are reduced by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. That is, esters are reduced into alcohols by catalytic hydrogenation. That is, when we add hydrogen here, this bond will break and this bond also breaks. So here one H will be added here, one H, H, H. So 4 hydrogen atoms will be added. So we need 2H2. In the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, so what we get? RCH2OH plus ROH. Two different types of primary alcohols are obtained. Two different primary alcohols are obtained. One is RCH2OH plus ROH. So let us write one example. CH3 COOCH3. This is methyl acetate. On reduction by using hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, we get CH3 CH2OH plus CH3OH. That is methanol. So ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol are obtained here. Say, for the reduction of carboxylic acids, lithium aluminium hydride, which is a strong reducing agent, is used. But lithium aluminium hydride is an expensive reagent. Therefore, commercially, carboxylic acids, for reducing carboxylic acids into alcohols, carboxylic acids are first converted into esters. So then these esters are reduced to alcohols by catalytic hydrogenation. That is, carboxylic acids are first reduced into carboxylic acids. First they are converted into esters by treating with alcohol, ROH. Gives RCOOR, RCOOR plus H2O we get, plus H2O. This ester is then reduced to alcohols by catalytic hydrogenation. That is, by treating with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, we get plus 2H2 gives RCH2OH plus ROH. So this is about preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds. The next method is preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds by using Grignard reagent. By using Grignard reagent. So by using Grignard reagent, from Grignard reagent. So what is Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide. You know, Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide. So when aldehydes and ketones react with Grignard reagent, they form addition product, which on hydrolysis gives alcohols. So first let us consider aldehydes. What is aldehyde? RCOH. Aldehyde. Aldehydes react with Grignard reagent to form addition product. How is this addition product formed? This addition product is formed by the nucleophilic attack of alkyl, that is Grignard reagent, on carbonyl carbon of this aldehyde. So here this Mg metals are positive, so this is Mgx, this is R minus. So this nucleophile R minus attacks this carbonyl carbon. When it attacks, this CO pi bonds will be displaced towards oxygen. So this oxygen becomes negative, carbon becomes positive. So this R minus attacks C, carbon, and this Mgx will be attached to oxygen. So R, C, O, 2O minus Mgx attacks Mgx. This H is as it is, this R. So this is the adduct or addition product which is formed. This on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means H2O. On addition of water, H2O. H2O ionizes as H plus and O minus. Now hydrolysis means this bond breaks. H will be added here. OH will be added here. So the product formed is RCH OH. That is R C H OH R plus Mg OH MgOH X. This is the other product which is formed. So let us write one example. See here, in aldehydes are RCHO. What is this R? R can be hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group. R is hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group. H, if it is H, what is that aldehyde? HCHO, that is formaldehyde. HCHO is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, I will write CH3MgI, methyl magnesium iodide. To form formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent to form addition product. What is the formula of the addition product here? This is H, C, this 2O minus MgI will attach OMgI. This is H as it is, here CH3. This is the addition product form. This on hydrolysis. Here this bond will break. H will be added here. OH will be added here. So the product formed will be CH3 CH2OH plus MgOHI. The product formed is CH3 CH2 OH plus MgOHI. So this alcohol formed here is primary alcohol, that is 1 degree alcohol, primary or 1 degree alcohol is formed here. So Grignard, that is formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent to form addition product which on hydrolysis gives primary alcohols. Formaldehyde with Grignard reagent forms primary alcohol.